Welcome back, fungi enthusiasts, to the Mushroom Minute, only on the Mushroom Network. This episode is all about the almond mushroom, scientifically known as Agaricus fabifescens, an exciting edible and medicinal variety. It's an absolute delight. Let's get into it. Fact number 1. The almond mushroom is named for its unique aroma, which is remarkably similar to almonds. This captivating scent makes it a gourmet choice for chefs and food lovers alike. Moving on to fact number 2. The almond mushroom is not just an aromatic delight. It's a powerhouse of potential health benefits, known for its immune-boosting properties. This mushroom is rich in polysaccharides that might enhance our body's defenses. Fact number 3. In the wild, the almond mushroom is a decomposer. That's right. It helps break down organic materials, contributing to the cycle of life in forests and providing essential nutrients to the soil. Captivated by the almond mushroom? Explore its genetics and more on the Mushroom Network's marketplace. Don't forget to subscribe for more incredible insights from the Mushroom Minute. Stay shroom-tastic. Bye for now.
If this Mushroom Minute sparked your interest, imagine what we could cover in the extended feature. There's a whole world of amazing insights, fascinating stories, and incredible uses for this kind of fungi genetics and countless other genetics out there. But to make that happen, we need your help. By subscribing to our YouTube channel, you're not just signing up for amazing, in-depth content. You're helping grow our Mushroom Network and fueling our mission to share the incredible world of fungi, both far and wide. Thanks for watching. This is the Mushroom Network, signing off. For now.